Hello, and welcome to the Deeper Network. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake your DPR onto your device. First, check your MetaMask to make sure you have enough DPR to stake, and then navigate to device-bsc.deeper.network. Input your username and password, and click Sign In. Once you've logged in, click Choose a Plan. I have previously staked 1000 DPR to get on the chain. Now I will increase 5000 to get to Tier 1. The first time that you stake, you will have multiple transactions on your MetaMask. This is normal. Once you click Stake, make sure that you have a suggested gas fee. I always click Market Fee via MetaMask. Once you've chosen your gas fee, scroll down to Confirm. After a brief wait, you can see that your device is successfully staked.